Hello friends, it's Suzanne here from SuNN.com. Welcome to the 12-part mini-series called Crafting at the Lake House, the September 2023 version. In this mini-series, I am going to demonstrate 12 projects plus 3, yes, you heard it right, 3 bonus projects that were designed for these attendees. Now, in the past, I had shared the event venue with you, but today I am sharing the faces and excitement of the attendees. We had a really special time together. Lots of laughter, fun, food, and goodies. That's what crafting is all about to me. I had a really amazing team that helped me out too. I am blessed with the best of friends. Thank you guys. So the book that everyone is excitedly showing you is a card design sketchbook called The Card Maker's Companion. The link is below if you want to order one for yourself. They're sold on Amazon. Now, let's get into the projects. Okay friends, here we are with card number 1 featuring the Merry and Bright stamp set. This stamp set does come in a bundle, but we're not going to use the bundle. The dies, I should say. We're just going to focus on the stamp set. So that pretty paper is called Merry, Bold, and Bright Designer Series paper. And I'm just going to put some dry adhesive on the back and affix it to my crushed curry card base. Then I have the basic white cardstock there, and I am going to use a blending brush and sort of make a triangle shape. This is going to be a tree, or like the lighted tree part. Then after I have blended on a sufficient rectangle, I'm going to apply it to my card front using my favorite dry adhesive. Moving on, I am going to stamp the words. So I have inked up the star, and on this basic white card, I will stamp the star, and that stamped lovely. I also have the boho blue, and I also did Christmas, sorry. Those two stamped out great. Boho blue also stamped out great. I don't know why I have Melon Mambo out there. I didn't use it. Now the Merry I used was shaded spruce, and that turned out beautiful. But then we come to the problem children. Poppy Parade was supposed to be and bright, the sentiment, and it didn't stamp out real well. So I'm like, it was acceptable, but it wasn't fantastic. But I was like, okay, let's keep moving on. It might sink into the paper a little bit. Then I went to the Flirty Flamingo. And this stamped horrible. So here's my little trick. I wiped the ink off, or the remaining ink off, with my finger. And then I used Versamark ink. And then I went over the ink pad. And then I flipped the white card over and I stamped down. Look at that beautiful impression. All right, I will do it once more because I wasn't terribly happy with the Poppy Parade either. So Versamark ink on your stamp, then go over with your ink pad and stamp down. I'm going to show you what was done before and what was after. So that was after, that's before, that's after. So just saying that you might want to use that little trick. All right, so guess what's coming next, you guys? a little bit of fussy cutting. So I just did simple fussy cutting, a little bit, maybe 1/8 of an inch, 1/16 of an inch of a border around the rectangles. And don't worry, after this particular sentiment, I cut the rest out of the video. So I also used foam adhesive strips on the back of these sentiments. I also included a teeny tiny little rectangle of early espresso, so I could create the base of the tree. So I adhered the star first and the base, which I just mentioned, at the bottom. So now I know how much room I have for all of the words. So I am just catawampously placing these on the card. And when I'm done, hopefully it will say a merry and bright Christmas to you and yours. And with that, I will leave you with the information that you can see all the supplies I used today below in the video's See More section or the supplies section on my blog. And those fast links are going to take you to my Canadian online store, where I would love the chance to meet you and earn your business. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.